Hello students, today this is our first lecture and we are going to discuss about the basic data structures and algorithms. First of all, we need to know what is data basically. Data is the collection of raw facts. Data is available everywhere in some form. Data can be reported, it can be analyzed, it can be recorded. For example, you can see data in various forms. You can see in the form of digital data, you can see the analog data, you can see the multimedia data, videos, audios, and in different formats. Data are simply values or the set of values. A data item is referred to a single unit of value. The data structure is the second thing that we need to know actually. Data may be organized in many different ways, the logical or the mathematical or in some other particular organization. The organized data in some formation is known as the data structure, or the or a different version of the definition can be data structure is a specialized format for the organizing the data and storing the data in the memory that considers not only the elements stored but also the relationship between the data themselves. Data structure affects both the design and the functional aspect of the program. The efficiency of program directly depends upon the data structure used and selected. A program is a collection, is a mixture, or you can say a program is created using both. There are two components of a program, the algorithm and the data structure. As you know very well, and you have studied this earlier also in the first year, that an algorithm is a finite step-by-step list of well-defined instructions to solve a particular problem. We can classify the data into two categories. There are two broad categories for the data structures, the primitive data structures and the non-primitive data structures. Primitive data structures are actually the built-in data structures. These data structures are provided by the programming language itself. Whatever the programming language you are using, C, Java, Python, or any other programming language, primitive data structures are provided by the programming language itself. Non-primitive data structures are actually the user-defined data structures, and user-defined data structures are created by creating a mixture of the primitive data structures. There can be a mixture of homogeneous primitive data structures or the heterogeneous primitive data structures. So primitive data structures are data structures that directly operate upon the machine level instructions and integer floats and characters, constants, strings, constants, pointers, booleans, etc. belongs to this category. We can create, assign and update a primitive data structure. These are the basic operations. Those can be operated upon primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures are derived from the primitive data structures and called the non-primitive data structures. These data structures emphasize on the structuring of a group of homogeneous data structures and the heterogeneous different type of data data structures. This is the broad classification of data structures upon the basis of the access of the data in the data structures. The broad categories are primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. As I have earlier told that primitive data structures are integers, characters, floats and pointers. Non-primitive data structures are like arrays and lists. Arrays can be single dimension, two dimension or multi-dimension. All of the arrays are always actually one dimensional linear data structures, and they are homogeneous type of data structures and non-primitive data structures. Lists can be again further derived into two broad categories. Lists can be linear or there can be non-linear. So linear are stack, queue, linked list, etc., and non-linear are trees and graphs. The stacks queues can also be formed using the arrays. Linear data structures are kind of the data structures that are having the homogeneous elements only. The data structure in which elements are in a sequence and form a linear series are known as linear data structures. These are very easy to implement, and the memory utilization is very good in the linear data structures. Some commonly used linear data structures are stack queue and linked list. Non-linear data structure is a data structure in which data is connected to several other data items. Non-linear data structures may exhibit either a hierarchical relationship or a parent-child relationship. The data elements are not arranged in a sequential structure. The different non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. The operations those can be applied upon the non-linear data structures are traversal, insertion, selection, searching, sorting, merging, destroy and delete. All of these operations can be applicable upon all the data upon a data structures, or few of there can be only few of these operations that can be applied to a data structures. This is the difference between the primitive data structure. We can again summarize this. A primitive data structure is generally a basic data structure that is usually built into language, and it is inherent to the language, such as integer, float, char, string, boolean. A non-primitive data structure is built out of the primitive data structures linked together in a meaningful way, such as or a linked list, binary search tree, AVL tree, graph, etc.